how did you get into this car work, dude? And how many cars do you have? Because you got the Lexus and you got the Beamer, right? Or you had the Lexus. I don't know if that's still around.
I still got the Lexus. Yeah, the Lexus is my daily. So that's the one that like I need to run because that's like my transportation. And then I have a Honda Civic and I have the BMW, which is my like, it is the pain in my ass that'll never go away. I will never ever buy a BMW again. It is worst car ever. Swear to God. But yeah, I got into cars probably around maybe about the same time I started customizing shoes, like 2018. I had a little Audi as one of my first cars, and I didn't know anything about modifying cars. And then I met my buddy Dean Testa. He lives in Winthrop or maybe on the border in Revere. But he got me into cars. He's like, oh, you could buy this thing. It's called an access port, a Cobb access port. He's like, you can buy this for your car and like you can tune it and like make it better and whatever. I'm like, this is probably bullshit. So I buy it and like all of a sudden I'm fucking hooked now. Of course I buy it. I'm fucking hooked now because my car just went from like, what did it go from? Over the years that I had that car, it went from 220 horsepower to 430 about. So I like doubled the horsepower on this car, and it's like super fucking fast, and it's super cool, and I love it now. But I never did my own work on that car. Then a couple years later, when I moved down to Florida, I buy the Lexus. And I'm like, I got a little more money now. Like I got some adult money. This is like at a time where content was doing great. Everything was going great. So I bought some tools and whatnot, which is the hardest part to working on cars. Like if you don't have the tools, it takes you forever. Like if you don't have a really good jack, if you don't have a torque wrench and all that stuff.
Dude, you're preaching to the choir, brother, but I can change your brakes though. I figured it the fuck out. I didn't have the tools, but I figured it out.
Did he?
Bro, let me tell you. Just changing a singular tire, if you don't have a torque wrench, impact wrench, impact gun, whatever you want to call it, it's going to take you so much longer. So as soon as I got all the right tools and was able to do that stuff, I started learning, So
this is great.
I basically just got into it like that. And I love cars as well. I'd say that's the second most passionate thing on my list. I love working on them and doing shit to it and janky stuff, all the janky ghetto stuff that I've done to the Beamer. Like I love all that stuff.
That's awesome. What is the craziest thing that you have like customized or like flipped or like changed over or tried to modify
on a car or in general?
In general, just like
I got it right here.
Yeah.
Hold on. Oh.
What? Oh shit!
That's sick.
Gold play button that has rope through the side of it.
That is sick.
Oh, that's cool.
So this thing got destroyed. We've also done some crazy. I mean, I've painted a car twice. What else have I painted? A lot of random shit. A lot of sculptures and different things that I've done over the years. But that's probably the craziest like singular item that I've ever destroyed because how many people have a gold play button? You know what I mean? And I put holes through it and shit. So yeah, that one was a little crazy, and I still don't know if I like my decision to this day. But,
we'll tell YouTube to send you another one.
We'll check back in a few years on it.
Yeah, hopefully we can get the 10 mil one.
That'd be cool.
That's hysterical.
That's
but dude, that's still.
dude.
It's just cool to see the different things that you have kind of dove into as far as modifications are concerned, because it's fun. Like as a follower, it's always fun when your stuff. I'm like, all right, what are we doing today? Like. We on the car, we doing shoes, like what are we getting into? So
that's where the Jake of all trades came into play because people used to comment like, oh, this guy can do anything. And it's like such simple shit. Like it's such basic stuff. Like I know how to work on cars, I can tattoo, I can like cut my hair, and I can paint shit. Like that's basically all I can do. And people are like, oh my God, this guy knows everything.
Dude, I'm telling you, that's like the New England thing. Like New Englanders have like this knack of common sense and ability to get stuff done. And I'm surprised you don't run into it more. Maybe, I don't know if it's just because you're busy and you're at home, but like I lived in Miami for a little bit and that was the one thing that drove me nuts. I was just like, how are you guys adults? Like you just don't know how to do anything.
Nobody knows how to do anything.
Just I'm like, that's like New England, I forgot what I was doing. Like I've been working on a bureau in my house right now. And I had an issue where they sent me 3 of the wrong arms for like the drawers themselves. So like now I've been like customizing them the last like 2 days where I had to like drill holes. And my wife was like, wow, how do you know how to do this? I was like, I don't know. I'm just looking at this. I'm like, okay, so I got to like make a hole like that one. Let me
You're
make a hole
figuring
like
it
that.
out.
I'm like, all right, that works. I'm like, it's got to sit this way. Let me measure it. Okay. And I'm like, I don't know. I just kind of do it because I'm just like, no, I don't know. I just have the abilities. I don't actually know what I'm doing. I'm just kind of fucking doing it.
It definitely is a New England thing because
100%.
Can you see this little black chair right here?
Yeah.
That I picked that out the trash yesterday. I still do this shit. Like I get it from my grandfather. It all goes back to him. He's like, he's got the thickest East Boston, like old East Boston accent you could ever imagine. Like,
Love it.
It's crazy. I love that accent so much. I lost mine. I had it when I was a kid, and then all of a sudden I don't have it anymore. But thick East Boston accent, and he just knows how to do fucking everything. Like anything that went wrong in the house growing up, he knew a way to fix it. It was weird and it was fucking crazy most of the time, but he knew how to fix it.
Like that's a live flame and gas line, Grandpa. You sure you should be? You're like, yeah, shut up, kid. I got it.
I got it.
Hold the damn light.
He's like playing with electricity and all this shit. He's like, I fucking got it while he's smoking a cigarette, and he fucking does it easy peasy.
So wild.
And I'm like, damn, that's really cool that he could do all this shit. Like, I want to be like that. And that's basically how I transformed into this. Like, I wanted to figure things out. I wanted to be the guy that could like do things, and I kind of regret it because now every time my friends have an issue with anything, they're like, Jake. So anytime a car
bring
issue,
the jack real quick. I gotta work on this.
Can you come help me mount this TV? I'm like, oh, okay, yeah.
But it's like it feels amazing though when you like think of something and then you're able to do it. You know, like we make the joke about me with my car situation, but when I changed my one brake, right? It took me about
How accomplished did you feel?
Dude, when I finally got it, I was like a fucking pig in shit, dude. I was so happy. I was like, I'm a fucking man. I do this now.
Yeah, then he forgot to put the fucking lug nut back on.
That was a different
flying
tire.
off in the middle of the highway.
Jake, don't listen to this guy. It
I
still
put my
worked.
brake pad in
The
upside
brakes
down,
were
so don't
fine.
worry.
Wait. Have you put a lug nut on there?
I don't have the impact wrench anymore. You heard him
Hey,
say it.
you only need like 3. It's okay.
Yeah.
No, Jake,
Thank
don't
you.
tell him that,
Thank
Jake.
You only need like 3.
Oh,
You're good.
Christ's sakes.